What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another trading update. We're going to be talking about the whole market as of now. We notice it's another big red day today, but I'm going to be talking about how you can capitalize when the market is going down. And we're going to be talking about what stocks I'm watching for the rest of this week. So for those of you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Stas, and I make videos dealing with swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, and my personal philosophies and strategies when it comes down to investing and trading in the stock market. So for those of you guys that want to learn more about that, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and join our Discord group chat as well as our Facebook group, and follow me on Instagram. All of those links are linked down below in the description box. So today, guys, we saw another slaughter in the stock market. The Dow Jones, the market's about to close in 2 minutes, but as of now, the Dow Jones is down about $540, and I personally just got done trading about 30 minutes ago. I took another little day trade in TVIX, but we're going to talk about that in a little bit after I talk about the three main indexes. So the Dow Jones today, like I said, guys, it's getting slaughtered. It's not, it's not showing any signs of a reversal pattern, and we noticed this 180 SMA has been acting as a resistance point over the past 2 days very heavily, right? We noticed the Dow sold off from 2644 yesterday, right? $26,444 all the way down to lows of $24,800. So nearly a 1,600 point, decrease in a matter of 2 days. So, guys, the markets are getting killed yet again. And how you can play this is by trading bear ETFs and ETFs that go up in price when the markets as a whole are going down in price. And again, we're going to talk about that in a second. So, there goes the market closing. The Dow Jones officially closed at about minus $550. The NASDAQ, guys, down about $42. Not as bad as the Dow Jones, but still down about $50, down about 0.7%, red on the day. The S&P 500 down 2%, down about $57, with the 180 SMA acting as a very strong resistance point for this particular stock. And for those of you guys that, or not the stock, for this index, and for those of you guys that don't know, that's this yellow line right here. It's having trouble getting above there, just like the Dow Jones is. So how can you profit during the stock market when the stock market as a whole is going down? So I have these ETFs here, and these I just labeled them as market ETFs. And I day traded TVIX today on 2 separate occasions, and I did very well. I got 10% on one trade, and I believe I got 6-7% on the next, and we're going to be talking about that right now. But before I do, TVIX is one that you can trade when the markets are going down. We noticed this one was up 17% today at the close, and that's mostly because the market went down, right? Another one you can trade when the markets are going down is UVXY. This one had 12% gain today, up about $6.36. And when the markets are going up, right, we can trade TQQQ as well as QQQ. And this one got killed today, down about 4%. And QQQQ, or QQQ, there's so many Qs, I mixed that up. But this one, down another $2.13 today, down about 1.24%. So, guys, like I said, 2 day trades on TVIX, and let me tell you exactly where those took place. So, during these times, I'm not really watching stocks in terms of swing trading, obviously, because the market is going down. So most of the opportunities right now are out there, right? Like I said in yesterday's video, there's a lot of openings, there's a lot of margin of profit in these particular stocks, these large cap stocks, some of them that I have listed here, like Boeing, Netflix, Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Walmart, Square, AMD. These all have a lot of opportunity, but the reversal is just not there yet. I'm not going to swing trade any stocks right now until a reversal in the markets is coming. And this is what I've been telling you guys over the past couple of days, what I've been talking about in the group chats. And, I'm sticking by this 100%. So for now, like I said in yesterday's video, I'm going to be day trading mostly the bear ETFs and these market ETFs that I'm talking about here. So let's look at TVIX very quickly. So this one went from lows today of $38 all the way up to $52. So this one went bananas today, right? And I got in personally at $42.30 in one of my trades, and I wrote it from $42.30 up to about $46.50. I was talking about this in the Discord group, and I put the when I made the trade, I put it in the Discord group chat, and again, from $42.30 up to about $46.50. That was close to about a 10% trade, I believe, right? Yeah, we see that right there, about 10% on that particular trade. And then I noticed when I got out of that particular trade, we still saw this one shooting up, because at this point, the Dow Jones in specific was selling off rapidly. Look at this, guys. I sold off right around here, I believe, and then the Dow Jones continued to sell off. So I decided to hop back into this one, and I grabbed another I forget what the percentage point was, but I was able to hop back in at about $47, and I wrote it back up to about $50, taking the profits there. So that's just two quick day trades on TVIX. And again, this is one that's going up as the markets are selling off. And the past couple of days, this has been an absolutely phenomenal trade, and I do recommend adding this one to your watch list as long as this market is, continuing to sell off. And once the market, and if the market does slowly start to recover, right, in the next couple of days, I'm going to be definitely playing TQQQ as well as QQQ for that rebound play. And that's when I'm going to be playing the large cap stocks like Boeing, Netflix, Tesla, Apple. I'm going to be playing those heavily as the market starts to recover. So to be honest, guys, I've been having some of my best days trading these markets over the past couple of days. As crazy as that sounds, right? This downtrend in the Dow Jones, the downtrend in the NASDAQ has been very solid. It's not showing any signs of a reversal, which has led me to be trading these bear ETFs, these ETFs that are going up as the stock market is going down. So this has been pretty good for me. But I know a lot of the long-term positions I personally am holding have been getting slaughtered, right? They've been getting slaughtered. I'm a long-term investor of Facebook, Alibaba, Apple, just to name a few. And these three have been getting killed over the past couple of days. But I've been able to hedge against that with my very good trades in terms of these day trades that I've been talking about, and these swing trades in the ETFs that I was talking about as well. So in terms of you guys saw that I bought in yesterday. I'm still holding onto those shares due to this one holding above this 50-day SMA on the 180-day chart. So I was in at about $90.30 or something like that with about 15 shares in you guys, and I'm still very confident to hold these particular shares due to the uptrend pattern, right, and due to it holding above this 50 SMA here on the 180-day chart. And it's holding above, and it's slowly confirming a reversal on these smaller frame charts as well. Look at this one, guys. The 180 chart, or this 20-day 1-hour chart. This is the 20-day 1-hour chart, right? Yep. The 20-day 1-hour chart is holding above the 180 SMA very nicely. The 10-day 30-minute chart, it's popped up above this EMA line, and now it's holding very close to this 180 SMA as well. So I really don't see anything wrong with holding you guys overnight, and that's exactly what I'm personally doing as of now. So a lot of people in the group were talking about DRIP, and this is one that I called out in yesterday's video. This one was up another 8% today, and crude oil was selling off very rapidly, just as I expected, right? Let's look at this one on the 184-hour chart. We notice it did not hold above the 180 SMA, but it broke below it, and it's pretty much been downtrending from there. Another inverse ETF that ended up being a very good play today as well was ticker symbol JNUG, also known as JNUG. And this is a gold-based ETF. This is a bull ETF, meaning whenever gold futures are going up in price, JNUG is going up in price as well. And typically, when the markets are selling off massively, gold tends to be a pretty good investment, or it tends to even go up in price. And we saw that today. Gold shot up about $33, up about almost 3% on the day, which ended up shooting up JNUG a ton, right? We noticed how crazy this this chart looks, not a red candle in sight, right? So if we look at the 1 day, 1 minute, pretty much over the past 2 days, actually, this has been shooting up, right? From yesterday, it was at $7. It shot up all the way to $9. In a matter of 2 days, guys, this one's up about 30% roughly, right? So, you know, what I would recommend doing in times like this, guys, is really not swing trading the large cap stocks due to them mostly being in free fall mode right now. And, you know, until the markets recover, like I've been saying this entire video, like I've been saying the past, you know, week, you know, until the markets recover, I'm not really going to be playing any of these swing trades in terms of these large cap companies and the stocks that we typically trade here on this channel. I'm mostly going to be focusing on, you know, these groups of stocks / ETFs here, the bear ETFs that I was talking about, like DRIP. You know, DRIP has been killing it, right? You know, LABD, this one went down a little bit today, but for the most part, this one, you know, it didn't go down, but it wasn't like crazy like it was the past couple of days. But, you know, for the most part, guys, these are the uptrending ETFs as of now, right? We're going to be focusing on JNUG a lot. And, you know, these are mostly what I'm going to be focusing on for the rest of this week. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not panic in times like these, guys. There's a bunch of ways to make money in the stock market while the markets are going down. You could play the bear ETFs. You know, you can play these different ones that I showed you guys in today's video. That's what I personally do. You can short the market, right? You can play options. There's many different things that you can do, right? It all depends on what you like, what your trading style is, and you pretty much have to mold it based on what your style is, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to, join the Discord group chat, and follow me on Twitter as well as the Facebook group. All of those are linked down below in the description box. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's make some money today. Peace.